All right, let's talk about pipelining. Imagine sending multiple packages instead of one at a time. Ansible pipelining works the same way. It speeds up execution by cutting down unnecessary SSH communication. Less back and forth means faster automation. We just need to tweak a few settings, and boom, efficiency unlocked. I'm Emma Grace, an IAM expert with 10+ years of hands-on experience designing and deploying identity solutions that scale. I specialize in helping organizations implement secure, user-friendly access controls that reduce risk, meet compliance, and support growth without adding complexity. Okay, picture this. Every time Ansible runs a task, it moves data between your control node and managed nodes. Without pipelining, this back and forth slows things down. But with pipelining, we take a shortcut. Less talk, more action. Who doesn't love a faster, smoother automation process? Let's put it this way. Without pipelining, Ansible moves like a sluggish postman delivering one letter at a time. But with pipelining, it's like a speedy courier handling bulk packages. Faster execution, fewer delays, and optimal use of SSH. Talk about getting more done in less time. Think of pipelining as the express lane in a traffic jam. It skips the unnecessary stops and gets things done quicker. By reducing SSH operations, limiting file transfers, and keeping CPU load light, Ansible works faster and smarter. Who wouldn't want their automation running at full speed? If you've ever waited too long for a package, you know how frustrating unnecessary delays can be. That's how default execution feels. Too much data transfer. Pipelining cuts out the extra baggage, making processes leaner and faster. Why take the scenic route when you can zip straight to success? Let's roll up our sleeves and tweak our configuration. In Ansible, pipelining isn't enabled by default, but switching it on is easy. Just a quick change in Ansible CFG, and we're good to go. It's like upgrading to the fast lane. Who doesn't want a smoother ride? This part's simple. Flip the switch by setting pipelining equals true, and watch Ansible pick up speed. No more crawling through automation tasks. One change, massive impact. Sounds like a pretty good deal, right? Small things can have a big impact. If requiretty is enabled, pipelining won't work properly. We just need to disable it in the sudoers file, and we're all set. Think of it as removing a roadblock, clearing the path for smoother automation. Think of environment variables as secret weapons for tweaking performance. They help fine-tune SSH settings and ensure pipelining works efficiently. A few adjustments, and we're making automation magic happen. Before we celebrate, let's double-check our settings. A quick test ensures pipelining is working as intended. No errors, no delays, just smooth, efficient automation. Once verified, you'll wonder how you ever lived without it. Let's talk performance. We all want faster execution, but the first step is identifying what's slowing us down. Once we pinpoint the bottlenecks, we focus on optimizing resources. Think of it like organizing your messy desk. Then, we measure those improvements, because what's the point of tweaking things if we don't track the wins? And finally, we iterate. Because, let's be real, no one gets it right on the first try. Troubleshooting. The thing that keeps developers awake at night. Slow execution. That's like watching paint dry. Then we have memory issues, where our system forgets how to be efficient. Dependency conflicts are the software world's version of family drama and debugging. Well, sometimes it feels like solving a mystery without any clues. But don't worry, I'll walk you through fixing these headaches. Mitogen is like the superhero we didn't know we needed. It's fast, efficient, and makes us feel like geniuses for using it. Compared to traditional methods, it runs circles around execution speeds while sipping fewer resources. It's got security built in, meaning fewer nightmares for sysadmins. And let's not forget its maintainability. Because who wants to spend hours fixing something that should just work? Optimization is an art. First, ditch those redundant operations. They're just dead weight. Then, pick algorithms wisely. Choosing the wrong one is like bringing a spoon to cut a steak. Caching, it's your secret weapon for avoiding unnecessary work. And finally, profiling, because you can't fix a problem if you don't know where it hides. Now, let's put theory into action. Enterprises rely on automation like coffee keeps programmers awake. It's essential. Cloud optimization ensures we're not burning money on unnecessary resources. Large-scale deployments, a dream when done right, a nightmare when ignored. And security hardening, well, let's just say it's better to prevent disasters than clean them up. We covered a lot. Testing, troubleshooting, mitogen magic, optimization tips, and real-world examples. The impact of these improvements, huge. The challenges, manageable with the right approach. And if there's one takeaway here, it's this. Keep refining, keep optimizing, and never stop looking for ways to do things better. Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel.